As an Indian anime fan myself, this is a really disappointing video to make. The final season of the much awaited Attack on Titan is finally on the horizon, but the big question in everyone's mind now is where can we watch it legally in India? We anime fans really want to support the industry and support it in any legal format whatsoever. Of course, there will be pirated websites and third-party websites, but we really wanted to know if there is some legal place where we can actually watch and enjoy the final season that will eventually support the company as a whole. But it looks like that is really going to be very difficult. So anyway, hello and welcome to UnderYZ. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about where can we legally watch or where can we even watch Attack on Titan final season here in India. Now to be very frank, I have done everything that is humanly possible. I have tried to contact Netflix India on Twitter, I have tried to contact them on email, I have DM'd them, I have contacted Crunchyroll, I have contacted Funimation, I have contacted MuseAsia, Anyone and every other publishing website there is. But there has been hardly any response from any of them. And to be very frank, that is quite disappointing. But at the end of the day, this is something which I was actually expecting. Because to bring anime legally in India is a very tedious process, and last year we finally got to see Weathering with You after a lot of requests and Change.org petitions and everything, and other bigger YouTubers, bigger anime Indian YouTubers helped a lot in this particular matter, from people like Kenzairo, Vixer, Anime TM Talks, etc. You know the point, you know about all of this. But this time things are a little different because this is not a film, this is a season, this is an entire season. And it looks like it will be very difficult to bring it finally into Netflix, and other platforms don't even matter at this point because there's a very big licensing issue here. Now I also asked this particular question on Reddit as well, especially on our India subreddit, and there were some really good options which I got there, good feedback that I got there, and I just wanted to share it with you all. Now first things first, after the first couple of episodes are finally published or aired online, then it will of course come one way or the other to these third-party pirate websites. I really don't think I need to take the names of them here. You all are very smart, you all know about all of these things. So I'm not talking about the pirate sites here. But other than that, what are the legal formats or legal forms where we can actually watch this show? Well, that is very limited. Of course, we know that the final season is coming up on Netflix, but that is going to be geo-logged for India. As of the recording of this particular video, only Netflix Japan, Philippines and Malaysia have finally announced or officially announced that Season 4 of Attack on Titan is officially coming to them. But other than that, we don't know anything, especially in regards to India. Hell, I don't even think that Season 3 is fully available on Netflix India. So of course there's the option of VPN because all of these content will be geo-logged. So if at all you have a good VPN, then go for it, because other than that we don't think we have any other legal measures, legal countermeasures to watch this season properly. Now one particular thing which people have recommended me on Reddit is that you can watch this show currently on maybe a third-party website or by using a VPN on Netflix. That is fine, but once the DVD or Blu-rays finally come out, do buy it, and that will show more support to the industry, and I think I will eventually do something like that in 2021 itself. Because let's be real, we all know that Attack on Titan Season 4 will have 2 parts. This final season will be divided into 2 parts. So maybe the first season or first half of the final season will be coming out now in December and January, and the next half will be probably coming around in summer. But anyway, that's not the point here, because another thing which is very important here is the publishing or the licensing. Because licensing is a very big issue. This is the major reason why most of the shows of Crunchyroll are not available here in India. Only a very few shows are available here in India, and Attack on Titan is geo-logged on Crunchyroll. Now I really won't advise you to use a VPN on Crunchyroll because there have been issues of members getting banned. So I really don't know, I can't recommend it to you. You should do it on your own discretion. And other than that, there is Funimation, which is not at all available in our country, so just leave it. Don't even bother about Funimation. And other than that, there are 3 major companies which do publishing or anime publishing outside of Japan. These are MuseAsia, Anyone and Oblex or Obex. I really don't know much about the third company, but I do know about MuseAsia and Anyone. Now the thing is that MuseAsia is a very growing company, and they have really started the YouTube channel which is now giving free content, free full season, full HD content of anime, and we can only hope that in future, maybe in the next couple of months, MuseAsia, if it has proper licensing and everything, will publish or will give the final season of Attack on Titan on their YouTube channel itself. Because we had this major news a couple of months back that all the major publishing companies or animation companies are thinking of starting their own YouTube channel like Toei Animation, Studio Bones, etc. and there they will give their free anime catalog. So if something like that is actually happening, then it would be really awesome. It would be really awesome. That would be one legal way where we can finally be able to watch the final season of Attack on Titan. Other than that, there is the company called Anyone. Again, it's a very big company. It has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, but the problem is that most of their content is not English subbed. Most of them have Japanese subs, which will be really difficult for non-Japanese people to understand. We can only hope that it gets resolved in the future and it finally gives English subtitles for everyone to watch, but we can only wait and watch for that. So currently at the end of the day, I think we have three options available for us Indian fans. The first and foremost, which I really won't advise anyone explicitly, but unfortunately that is the truth of this modern era, and that is piracy, the third-party websites. I won't take the names of those websites. I'm pretty sure you all know about the websites already, so I really don't think that I need to take their names. But even if you do something like that, I would really request you all to eventually buy the DVDs or Blu-rays whenever they are available, because that would be the only way in which we will be able to support this industry, support this show that we actually love so much. The second way is to use a VPN. And again, I would not advise you all to use the VPN on Crunchyroll for whenever Crunchyroll publishes Attack on Titan final season, because there have been issues of users getting banned and stuff like that. So please do that on your own discretion. So rather than that, I would advise you all to maybe use a VPN to access Netflix or other countries' Netflix and basically bypass the geo lock. Maybe access Netflix Japan or maybe access Netflix Malaysia. Maybe that would be a really good thing, and that would be the only possible way in which you will be able to watch this season. And the final option is to just wait. There's nothing more than that we can do at this moment. Just wait and hope that channels like Muse Asia or Anyone finally publish these episodes on YouTube, because of course if they do publish them, they will get millions and millions of views, so it would be a good source of revenue for them. So I hope that eventually they do publish them on YouTube. In that way, anime would be a lot more accessible to a lot more people, because currently the biggest enemy for more people to join into anime is mainly licensing issues. A lot of countries like our own India misses out on the chance on good anime because of licensing issues, and I really hope that things like these are resolved in the future, because we as anime fans are really eager to legally spend money and show our support to these shows. So basically that's it for today, guys. These are the ways in which you can watch the final season of Attack on Titan. What do you guys think about this? Are you excited about Attack on Titan final season? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. I recently got a channel copyright strike from Green Gold Animation for making that video, that 2-year-old video on Chota Bheem. I really don't know if I can do anything currently about it or not, but I'm really scared that my channel will eventually be deleted if I do something more on this. So I really need your support, guys. If you could subscribe and if you could show some love, then that would be really appreciated. That would really give me a lot of motivation. Again, we are trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. This is the last month of 2020. So if possible, please do subscribe to the channel. That would be a really good boost of morale for me. But this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ, and I'll see you soon in the next one.